Hi guys, and welcome to the video. It rained here today for the first time, I think. Nicky? Hey Georgie. Georgie. For the first time in since April, March maybe. So now all the little monkeys are out. He's limping. What have you done to your leg, boy? Oh, Chester. Chester. The little monkeys are out getting filthy, getting the paws nice and dirty. That's a big hole, George. Hey Nicky. Hey Bobby. So that they can they kind of clean the boots on my bed, especially the sheets. You know, just so I can feel it in the night. Good boy, Jojo. Good boy. So all this scrap wood's going to be cut up for firewood. It's all soaking now, of course, but I'll cut it up and put it away. It's all right, lad. Oh, Jojo. That's terrible. What are you doing, you little Fruit Loop? It's okay. Chester. Chester. You touch Marengo, I smash your face, okay? I smash your face in. Hey, sweetie. Harry! Can you get down, Harry? Oh, what have you done to your eye? Harry, have you been fighting? Let me see. Harry? Harry, look at me. Harry? Harry. Look at me. Oh, Harry. Doctors. Doctors, Harry. Hey, Felix. So guys, there's no more news about Ace. I take that to mean that she's the same. Whoa, Chester. He'll kill you, Chester. Look at that face. So I'm guessing that if she's the same, she's no worse. And that'll do for me for now. Hey Jojo, what are you doing? The storm ripped all this apart. We need that, like a hole in the head. And the other one. It was quite a fierce storm. Oh Harry, that eye, pal. Have you got something in it? Chester. Chester. My little killer. What's Ringo got? And unfortunately I have to report that Betty is still fading away. She's eating, she's got a fantastic appetite, but nothing's sticking to her. Nothing's keeping her together. Hey Bobby. Hey Bob. Yeah. Imagine calling you Bobby, you little girl we didn't know. But it's Bobby with the IE now, isn't it? Bobby IE. Bobby IE. Oh boy. Come on fellas. Come on, I don't want you around the front. You know what happens. You know what happens around the front, don't you? Adorable. Adorable. Here. Felix. Felix. Oh, you're so rude. That's Button. Button's got one eye. She's a stray cat. Ah! Bobby, don't get my feetsies. Bob Dob. You little terrorist. Bobby Wobby. Nicky? Nick, you go out there. So this is Button. Button was here when we moved in. to this house. We had to take her as soon as we moved in to have her eye removed because it was a terrible mess and nobody else cared, so we did. Come on, George. I'll have to go get him. Georgie, this is what we're up against. He's gonna have to go in a cage if he keeps doing this. They scare me to death when there's a considerate person driving at a normal speed down the road, but they don't all do that, trust me. Hey Rengie! Rengo! Rengo! Right, I'll go get George. Thanks for watching, guys. Any more information about Ace and poor little Betty, I'll let you know as soon as I know. Wow. Wow, Jojo.